But how's this for a view to wake up to?
Magical.
Pretty cool. And I brought you a coffee. Did you see?
Thanks, Silver.
It's over there.
Caught me unawares.
Cheers.
Goes too long. What up, camera?
Hey, today we're going on a little bit of an adventure. We're just gonna pack our bags and snorkel and see what we can see.
Yeah.
So we'll bring this camera along and see if we can catch anything for you that's worth looking at.
Yeah.
Great.
Please. Pleasant walk. I'll be honest, I don't remember what I filmed yesterday, but I feel like not a whole lot.
More than I did.
Yeah. I think we were distracted by hunger and pains and things.
Yeah.
So, get a bit more of the local spots. They're all right on the beach, which is brilliant. Wouldn't have it any other way. Or would I?
Weird thing to say.
Lots of corals. And plastic bottles. Mostly corals. Wow. I thought the ground was just 100% coral. Never experienced that before. Crazy. He was walking about. Got camera shy. A little crab. Alright, long skirts.
Buying little fishies.
Hard to see probably on a tiny GoPro, but
Probably.
so
Might see some.
we'll capture some later for you.
Yeah, we will. That's a lot easier to walk on than it is to make. Don't you think?
Definitely. Yeah, no time soon.
No time soon?
Way further down. We're right at the very top of the island right now.
Nice to see theoretically further down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Can't wait to get out there. Pretty warm.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
It's getting that water.
Mm-hmm. Try not to. Not exactly a staircase. Holly managed. Oh yeah. I'm old enough that those tiny steps frighten me slightly. But yeah, I'm a big baby, I guess.
Want to just leave our stuff here?
Sure.
Does that seem like a safe spot? Or
Sure. snorkeling time. Stepped into a wreck. Should watch where I'm going, but I can't wear my glasses and these goggles, so
Did you get in the water?
yeah, for sure.
How many times can you do the same thing over and over?
What did Danny tell me? Don't put salt in your eyes. Don't put salt in your eyes. Put salt in your eyes. Put salt in your eyes.
Never put salt in your eyes. Never put salt. Never put salt. Never put salt. Put salt. Put salt. Put salt. Put salt. Never. Always put salt in your eyes.
So, a danger of scuba diving in too shallow of water. Fish bite you?
Oh no.
Anyway, as I was saying, a danger of scuba diving in water too shallow. My trunks, the front of my trunks got caught on some coral or a rock. I almost pantsed myself swimming. That would have been embarrassing.
I saw a shell that opened and closed like a big squishy pillow fort at the shell. And when you got closer, it was like wah, wah, wah. I think I got it out of camera.
Yeah.
Actually, what happened to my camera?
It floats. You're in luck. It is really cool.
Yeah.
Kind of difficult to balance camera and snorkel and mask, because my mask will fill with water, and then my snorkel will fill with water, and I'm like still filming, and I gotta film with the camera. But still worth it, because everything under there is so cool.
A boat goes by and the wave goes down your snorkel, and you're like, oh, I'm drowning, I'm dying.
I'm sure scuba divers and professional snorkelers and stuff will think we're dorks for loving this so much, but I love this. This is great.
Let's keep going a little further.
Deal.
Yeah, we'll head back.
Maybe Charlie Brown's parents had snorkels in their mouths.